I'm making a fresh salad. First, I'm going to slice the corn off the corn on the cob because I love fresh corn. And I'm going to gather that all together. Look how beautiful that corn looks. Next, slicing some grape tomatoes. Nice and fresh tomatoes. And this is my breakfast, y'all. Next, I'm going to chop some jalapenos, and I'm going to take the seeds out and the veins so it's not too spicy, but I love jalapenos. Next, some English cucumber. And I like to get the English cucumber because there's no wax on this vegetable. So you can pull it out of a little plastic and it's a nice fresh cucumber. No wax to take off. You can eat the skins on this one. Now I'm going to play avocado roulette. Let's see if I win. Wah, wah. I didn't really win this time. So I'm going to cut some of that brown off, chop it up, and eat it anyway. I didn't get a perfect avocado this time. But into my salad it goes. Now some lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice. And some roughly chopped cilantro. Cilantro is really good for removing heavy metals out of your body. And it's just wonderful. And now I added some salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. And my salad is ready. Yum, 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 yum.